An emergency fund is a financial safety net that can help you weather unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Building an emergency fund is a crucial step towards financial stability. Here's a guide to help you get started. 1. Assess your needs. Determine your expenses. List all your monthly expenses, including fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs like groceries and transportation. Identify potential emergencies. Consider common emergencies in your area, such as natural disasters, medical emergencies, or car accidents. 2. Set a goal. Determine the amount. Aim for a fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Break it down. Divide the total amount into smaller, achievable goals to make it less daunting. 3. Create a budget. Track your spending. Monitor your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize savings. Allocate a portion of your income to your emergency fund, even if it's a small amount. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers. Have a portion of your paycheck automatically deposited into a separate savings account. Utilize employer benefits. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, take advantage of it. 5. Reduce debt. Pay off high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit card debt and other high-interest loans. Negotiate terms. If possible, negotiate lower interest rates or payment plans to reduce your monthly debt payments. 6. Consider side hustles. Explore additional income. If you need to accelerate your savings, consider starting a side hustle or freelancing. Utilize your skills. Find ways to monetize your hobbies or talents. 7. Be patient and consistent. Stay committed. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for reaching smaller goals to stay motivated. Remember, building an emergency fund is an ongoing process. As your income and expenses change, revisit your goals and adjust your savings accordingly. By following these steps and staying committed, you can create a financial safety net that will provide peace of mind and protect you from unexpected life events.